Hello dear students, good afternoon everyone and welcome to English class. And in the previous lecture we learned about soldier's son. It was a lesson, wonderful lesson, and in soldier's son it was a story of one boy, small boy. The name of the boy was Makbul Bhatt. He was a soldier's son and he helped without scaring. He helped one pilot, he helped a commanding officer in their mission. In their mission, he helped them and he is really, what we can say, he is really patriotic. He is really patriotic. And that's why, dear students, the lesson is important in your life also. That we should not afraid of anything. We should think about nation and we should save someone. We should help someone. And for nation, we should do anything for nation. Because this is our land and we should love and we should protect our nation. There was the story of commanding officer also. Commanding officer lost his son in war and he got Paramvir Chakra award for his son. Paramvir Chakra, PVC. Paramvir Chakra is the highest military award, and dear students, commanding officer got this award for his son only, and that is the story of soldier's son. Makbul Bhatt also lost his father in battle. His father died fighting for nation, but his dream was to become soldier when he grow up. And definitely his acting, his activities, his daring, his courage and love towards nation, these things will help you to become soldier definitely. So he was brave and it is a bravery. So the story of bravery we learned about Makbul Bhatt, a soldier's son, and I hope you understood very well whatever I taught you, but the lesson need to be read. Homework also need to be completed regularly. Without homework, without assignments, you cannot learn properly. So daily homework and assignment, complete your homework. Question answers are also there. I will discuss true or not true, and some question answers are there. And then we learn about prefixes and suffixes. So dear students, explain your own words how the pilot saved himself. How the pilot saved himself, you should explain in your own word. The boy saw the plane only after it had been shot. True or not true? Not true, you should write down. In English, nouns are commonly used as verbs also. Point out to your partner two such verbs in paragraphs 1 and 2. This is important part, dear students, that in paragraph 1, some nouns also can be used as verb. Okay? So you should find out these things. Where was the pilot flying to when his plane was shot? Why did the enemy shoot at the boy? The sentry had been the plane's crash. Maqbul Bhatt was Patriot's son. The boy knew what the officer did not know. The commanding officer said something humorously. What was that? How did commanding officer and major tend the boy? And a distant voice came to the officer's ears. Whose voice was that? And what was Maqbul's ambition? So question answers you should complete. So we have learned soldier's son. It is wonderful lesson. Today dear students, we are going to deal with grammar again, because you know my teaching style that sometimes in between I take grammar. I teach grammar after one poem or lesson. So if you ask me about syllabus of 7th class, a tiger in the house. A tiger in the house, I have completed. It is a prose section part, a story of Timothy. Ruskin Bond is the writer of the story, and A Soldier's Son, the story of Maqbul. These two lessons I have completed. From poetry section, self-reliance poem, self-confidence. Self-confidence, self-reliance, I taught you, wonderful poem. And second poem, dear students, If. If is written by unknown poet. Anon means unknown poet. If you have, give it now, do it now, do it now, do it now. So two lessons and two poems I completed, and in between grammar also I taught you. So today also I am going to teach you grammar. So I want your notebooks also. So open only notebooks, and today's topic is prefixes and suffixes. English. English grammar. English grammar. English grammar, and the topic is prefix and suffix. Prefixes and suffixes. Write down this name of the topic in your notebook, grammar notebook. And let's start today's topic. Dear students, this topic is very, very important in English, because in your textbooks also, in your textbook, the topic is given. I will show you. Here, page number 26. Page number 26. Prefix and suffix. This topic is given to you, and that's why it is important. So, what is the meaning of prefix and suffix? I will write here first prefix. Prefix. So, prefix means a word or letter. A word or a letter placed before a root word. Placed before root word. Root word is called prefixes. Prefix. A word or letter placed before root word is called prefixes. This is the definition of a prefix. What is the definition? A word or letter placed before root word is called prefix. For example, after definition, you can't understand. So what is we don't understand. We didn't understand what is that. A word, a letter. Oh, it is difficult. Placed before root word. We don't know root word also. What to do now? What is meaning of root word? What is meaning of prefix? Please explain. I am here to explain you only. Don't worry about it. So dear students, here I will write one word. The word is happy. Happy is an easy word. Everyone knows. Everyone knows happy word. So happy is a root word. Why root word I will tell you. Happy is a root word and a word or letter placed before root word. Before a root word is what? Before root word. Happy is a root word. Before root word, if I write unhappy. So this is called prefix. Unhappy. So if we add un plus happy, un plus happy is equal to unhappy. So this is called prefix. Un is a prefix. Un is a prefix. A word or letter placed before root word. Root word is happy. Before root word is called a prefix. Example, happy is a root word, unhappy, we will get a new word unhappy. So now, important part. If we add prefix to the root word, we will get opposite word of that word. So dear students, here I have written definition of prefix, example of prefix, and very important part, if we add prefix to the root word is happy is a root word. If we add a prefix to the root word, we will get opposite word of that word. So happy, unhappy, happy, unhappy, happy is a root word, unhappy. We will get opposite word of root word if we add prefix. So dear students, this is called a prefix. Now tell me, understand these things?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, so now write down. Now, dear students, write down definition of prefix, example of prefix, and important word. Write down. So, dear students, there are many prefixes and you should know all the prefixes. I am going to write here a list of prefixes. Note down in your notebook. List of prefixes. Okay? So, list of prefixes I will write. Definition. Then after example, and after example, one important point will get opposite word. So here I will write a list of prefixes. List of prefixes I am going to write here. So the first one is un, second one is in, third one is in, ir, re, pre, dis, miss, over, non, under, then impolite, ill, then inact, over, non over, re over, then un is also given, in is also given. So this is the list of prefixes, and dear students, here inter is also there, mid is also there, and anti. So this is the list of prefixes. These all can be used as prefixes. So un, in, im, ir, re, pre, dis, miss, over, non, under, ill, inter, mid, and anti. So this is the list of prefixes. Note it down. Then I will take one example. Example of prefixes you should take. So dear students, here I will write examples. First, un is there, no? Un. What is unkind? Unkind. Incomplete. Immoral. Then irregular. Then react. Then preschool. Dislike. Misunderstanding. Non-governmental, government, non-governmental, non-governmental. Then illegal, illegal, illegal is also there. And here so I will write antivirus, antivirus, virus, antivirus. Then midway, then international, national, international. So these are some examples. I will underline prefix only. An, in, ir, re, pre, this, miss, non, ill, anti, mid, inter. So these are prefixes, and I will ask you to tell root word of this word. Root word you should also find out, because prefix we place, prefix a word or letter which is placed before root word. So you should find out root word also. So first write down and I will ask you root word of these words. Completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now be ready to tell root words. Be ready to tell root words. So first tell me the root word of this word. Root word. Root word of this word.
Kind.
Kind is the root word. Very good. Kind is the root word. Now root word of this.
Complete. Complete.
Root word of this. Root word of this.
Moral.
Root word of this. Root word of this. Very good, dear students. Very good. So off your mic. So dear students, here I taught you prefix means what? Prefix. List of prefix also I have given. Some examples of each example. Each prefix one example I have given. Also you should find out yourself in a textbook. There are many prefixes. That prefixes are used before root word. So you should find out the root word also and prefix from the text also. So I hope you understood prefixes. Please give reply, understands or not.
Understand, sir. Understand, sir. Understand, sir. Sir. Understand, sir. Understand, sir.
Very good. Very good. Off your mic. So after prefixes.
I have. Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, please. Please.
I have one also.
Okay. So now, dear students, next after prefixes, suffixes. Suffix. What is the meaning of suffix? A word or letter added at the end of the root word. A word or letter added at the end of the word, and why? To get new form of word. This is the definition of prefix. This is the definition of prefix. Sorry, suffix. Oh my god. Suffix. Suffix means what? Suffix means a word or letter added at the end of the word. End. Prefix. Before word prefix. Suffix at end of the word. A word or a letter added at the end of the word. Why we add? To get new form of word. What is the meaning of new form? New form means word formation. Word formation. This is called word formation. Word formation is one topic in English to get a new form of word. I will explain here what is meaning of this. So dear students, a word or letter added at the end of the word to get a new form of word is called suffix. Word is called suffix. Example, happy again I will take. Happy. Same word I have used, happy. Prefix I wrote unhappy. Prefix I wrote unhappy. So now happy word I have taken for suffix also. And what is the meaning of suffix? Suffix means word or letter added at the end of the word. So happy is the word, end of the word. Here you should add suffix, not before the word. Do not use the suffix before the word, after the word. End at the end of the word. So happy and the suffix is ness. If I add happy plus ness is called happiness. So this is called suffix. For example, if I write here, second one also I will write. Advertise plus mint. Advertisement. If I write here beauty plus full, I will get beautiful. So dear students, this is called suffix. A word added at the end of the word to get a new form of word. New form of word. What is the meaning of new form of word? have been write. Dear students, here happy is a adjective. It is an adjective. Happy is an adjective. If I use les suffix, we will get happiness, and happiness is a noun. Noun. This is called to get a new form of word. If we add ness to happy, adjective will become noun. Advertise will become noun. Beauty is a noun. Beauty is a noun. After adding ful, beautiful become adjective. Beautiful became adjective. This is called suffix. This is called suffix. Dear students, here I am going to ask you another question, very important. Understood or not? Suffix understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now write definition and examples. Write definition and examples. Write definition and examples.
Yes, sir. Finish it, sir. Finish it, sir. Finish.
So now, after the definition and examples, I just want to give you list of suffixes. List of suffixes I will give. List of suffixes. List of suffixes. So the first one is MENT, then PION, then LY, then LES, then LES, then ION, then ISH, then ING, then ANCE, then ENCE, then which is SION, then FUL, then OUS, then after OUS, hood, yes, hood is also there, then child hood is there, then next one here ER is there, OR is there, then able is there, able. So these are all suffixes. Write down. These are all suffixes. List of suffixes.